Hi, welcome to the Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. And today, the 22nd of April 2025, we are back with Senzo Meyiwa's case. It happened in the High Court in Pretoria, and we were expecting drama. We were expecting cross-examination. We were expecting things to happen, but we were disappointed. It was not totally unexpected. It was a possibility. But yes, we listened to Mr. Advocate Mnisi, Charles Mnisi. He came prepared. He had his stack of a legal Bible, a stack of legal Bible, and it had over 20 something paragraphs. And he went straight into it and told us, I am not ready. He said, last week we spoke about, and the court said, I am abusing the system. So here is why I'm not ready. The transcripts that I haven't received, I went and consulted with my client, and we spoke about things and the things that I will use for cross-examination. But all that is just a puzzle that has not been put together. And I have to say that the road that I've traveled, Futhi, I'll read it for you. I don't want to just say things. But yeah, he basically was telling us he is serious about this case. He is a learned person and he wants to do a thorough job. He doesn't want to just cut corners and do a shabby job while he can give this his best. So he realizes that this is a person's life. We are not playing here, So he needs to do what he needs to do, and he needs preparation for that. So he said, I arrived and I was not yet done. I should put that on record for the court. I will not proceed and may request to be excused me from representing or accused number one. And then he went further claiming that I managed to get some of the transcripts, some not. The last communication that I had was on January 21st, 2025. Then he came with a punchline. Are you waiting? Yeah. This is the punchline. He said, I'm mindful. Justice delayed is justice denied. But there is no malice in how I'm handling this. Any suspicions of delays are regulated. So he said, guys, I'm very serious about this case and I want to do my best and I'm not going to cut any corners. So Judge Mokgoatlheng, you know him, he wasn't impressed. When he says, he changes his voice and say, hey, I know what I'm doing. I understand. I understand. He said, you cannot postpone indefinitely. Even today, I'm prepared to ask, when will you be ready, Mr. Mnisi? That's the $1 million question. That's what I want to know. Mnisi, had he was standing his ground. He came prepared, like I said. He had his stack of paragraphs, and he said, around the 19th of May, my lord, the field I've traveled, this is what I was looking for. He said, the field I've traveled then will be greater than the field ahead. Meaning that I've done the work. Yes, I came, I wasn't prepared, but I've pushed. There's something that I've done. And by the time we get to May, I would have pushed and I'd probably be finished. And yeah, so Advocate Ratha Mokgoatlheng was also asked by Judge Mokgoatlheng, you know him. He will say, what do you think, Mr. Ratha Mokgoatlheng? And Ratha Mokgoatlheng had this to say. He said, a postponement isn't something you're automatically entitled to. The court has a discretion. So it's up to the courts. So basically, he just said, okay, you're giving me the ball. Let me give it back to you, Judge Mokgoatlheng. And then judge asked Mr. Nxumalo, Advocate Nxumalo, and said, what do you think? And he was just dismissive, and he was like, my comment is that the affidavit speaks for itself. Whatever that he read there, yeah, gonna log. So what was the verdict for the day, guys? It was agreed that a postponement will be done, but he said he didn't give it without a warning. He gave us a legal citation of how a little girl was raped and how the proceedings went about, and this little girl just vanished. No one knows where she went. And basically, Judge Mkgoatlheng was saying, when you delay, there are consequences. So there might be things that would happen. So with that being said, he gave the postponement, and Mr. Mnisi asked for an adjournment. They went out. When they came back, because previously he had said the 19th of May, they came back and said on the 5th of May, then that's when the trial will be back. And so once again, we are paused, guys. We are tangled in a legal wrangling, missing documents. Advocate Mshololo was not there today, missing in action again. Apparently she's sick, so that's why she wasn't there. And yeah, we don't know, is this just a tactic to delay things? What do you think? Only time will tell. We'll just wait for that day, the 5th of May. And yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think Advocate Mnisi is wasting time? Do you think he doesn't know what he's doing? He needs to be replaced? Do you think that he just wants to do his job in a thorough manner and he's not backing down? That's what I saw. I just saw a professional who is not backing down, who wants to do a thorough job. And he's like, it's either you guys wait for me or nothing. So what do you think? Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, guys. Hey, you know, this thing of sharing, it did wonders for me today. Someone shared, like I said, in the morning, I woke up with a notification. Someone, Mzansi Unfiltered, shared my work, and it did wonders for me. I was on 27 subscribers. The 27th subscriber was Mzansi Unfiltered. And now I'm sitting on 60 plus subscribers. I have more views. That one video that she recommended, I've got over 1,300 and something views. And it's appreciated. Thank you very much. And so I'm saying the same thing to you. You don't have to be a well-known channel. You don't have to be just sharing to one person, a friend, a family friend, an acquaintance, a co-worker might do wonders for my channel, because I'm a small channel that started doing this from the 19th of May. And so I really appreciate the comments. I appreciate the subscribing, the likes, everything, guys. It's appreciated. And I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I will try my level best to interact and engage in the comment section. Some I have already, and it just gives me this thing of wanting to do more. And I'm dedicated to give you content that is meaningful and that you will also enjoy. So with that being said, God bless. And until next time, ciao.